Hi family, this is Sassy Craftin' Mama. This video is about a DIY bling stand. For this project, you will need one frame 8x10 mirror, two candlestick holders, diamond wrap, glue gun, and glue sticks, and E6000 is optional. Let's begin, family. First, please make sure your glue gun is plugged in and you have extra glue sticks. Next, you want to take your mirror out of the frame. Please take your candlesticks and adjust them on your firm surface and make sure they're centered correctly. Next, let's just place the mirror on top to make sure everything looks okay. Next, remove your mirror from the candlestick holders. Apply glue to the top of both candlesticks, and you can use some E6000 as well. Next, take your mirror and place it on top of both candlesticks, applying a little bit of pressure. Please allow 15 to 30 minutes for your glue to dry. We will be applying the diamond wrap to the edge of the mirror as seen in my mini dessert stand video. You can place a small piece of tape on the edge and then start applying your hot glue, and you want to work quickly because the glue does dry fast. Now your stand is complete. Please allow time for your stand to dry. This bling stand was made to display a birthday's girl name for Doc Mustuffin's party. We purchased the letters from AC Moore, and don't forget to use your coupon. Next, we applied some bling rip to the letter Z. This was very tricky, so you may want to use some adhesive bling if you have it. I repainted the remaining letters with acrylic paint and applied 2 coats of extreme glitter. Then I took a candlestick holder and made a flower ball and glued that to the top of the candlestick holder. Next, I took a barbecue skewer and placed that in the middle of the flowers and wrote Happy Birthday Zuri. This photo was taken while the letters U or I were still drying. When you make your bling stand, you can use it for any purpose to display your name, a gift, a photo, flowers, or pictures. This mirrored bling stand was a hit at the Doc Mustuffin's birthday party, and the birthday girl absolutely loved it. For more information about the number 3 tissue paper decoration, please click the link below.